Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to download and install PyCharm on your MacBook. PyCharm is a powerful IDE from JetBrains, built specifically for Python development. It's widely used for web development, data science, machine learning, and automation, and comes with smart code completion, advanced debugging tools, and excellent performance. Alright, let's get started. First, open any web browser. I'm using Brave, but Safari, Chrome, or Firefox will work just fine. In the search bar, type Download PyCharm, then press Enter. From the results, click on the official JetBrains website. I've also added the direct download link in the video description. Once you're on the PyCharm download page, choose the correct version for your Mac, Apple Silicon or Intel. If you're not sure which one you have, click the Apple menu in the top left corner of your screen and select About This Mac. If you see Apple M1, M2, M3, or M4, you're using an Apple Silicon Mac. If it says Intel, then you're on an Intel-based Mac. After selecting the correct version, click Download. Save the installer to your Downloads folder. The download time may vary depending on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and double-click the installer file. A new window will open. Simply drag the PyCharm icon into the Applications folder. This installs PyCharm on your Mac. When it's done, you can close the window and delete the installer file to free up space. Next, open Finder, go to Applications, and launch PyCharm. If macOS shows a security message saying the app was downloaded from the internet, just click Open to continue. When PyCharm launches for the first time, accept the user agreement by clicking Continue. You'll then be asked to activate PyCharm. If you already have a license or subscription, click Activate and enter your details. Otherwise, select Start Free Trial to begin using PyCharm for free. And that's it. PyCharm is now installed on your Mac, and you're ready to start coding. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.